Whilst InDesign doesn't support directly opening an editable PDF file, you are able to import the graphic onto the document by using the place command. Here's how. Firstly, create your InDesign document to the dimensions of the PDF you're importing. You can check this by opening your document in Adobe Acrobat and pressing Ctrl or Command D. This will open up the document properties, and we can see in the Advanced section what the page size is. We can then go back to InDesign and create the document to this size. If you're importing the whole document, you'll need to make sure that you've created enough pages within the document before you start importing. To begin the process, go to File, then click Place. When the Place File dialog window is open, quickly check the Show Import Options box. There are a few options you can change here, for example, cropping options and the pages you'd like to import. There's also a Layers tab, but usually PDFs are flattened, so yours may not appear here. Click OK, then click on the document to place the image. If you've imported multiple pages, you'll need to click on the different pages to paste these slides. Otherwise, you can resize the images or make any additions to the document. Importing is done. We'd appreciate you dropping us a quick like and subscribe to SolarPress to see more graphic design content. Thanks for watching.